For more than a century, Cadent has delivered engineered solutions and technologies that enable sustainable industrial processing. We design and deliver products that help manufacturers maximize productivity and efficiency. Our products help industrial customers reduce waste and use fewer inputs, including fiber, energy, and water. Our businesses are grouped into three segments: flow control, industrial processing, and material handling. Each segment features multiple product lines that serve a broad range of industrial markets. Cadent's flow control businesses provide products and services to key market sectors, including packaging, tissue, food, metals, and energy. Our flow control segment keeps these industries running with many essential product lines, including rotary sealing devices, steam systems, expansion joints, Doctor systems, roll and fabric cleaning devices, and filtration and fiber recovery systems. Cadent's flow control manufacturing facilities embrace lean manufacturing principles to optimize productivity. Our assemble-to-order process enables us to respond quickly to our customers while minimizing finished goods inventory. Our quick response and application expertise ensure we can provide the best solution possible. Our industrial processing segment serves cellulose fiber-based industries that produce packaging, tissue, and wood products. Our businesses enable manufacturers to process wood and recycled fibers by providing innovative products including stranders, debarkers, chippers, fiber processing systems, and fiber recycling equipment. These products support customer needs for increased efficiency, reduced inputs, and reliability. Our industrial processing customers rely on us for highly efficient, energy-saving solutions and technologies. Our solutions help maximize yields of their fiber-based renewable products, all with fewer inputs. Our material handling products move and process materials for the aggregate, mining, food processing, recycling, and waste management industries. Key product lines in this segment include conveying equipment, vibratory sorting equipment, and high-performance balers. Since the mid-1800s, we've helped customers reduce costs in processing and transporting bulk and discrete materials, and in managing waste. Our products process, convey, and screen a variety of materials, delivering exceptional results under the toughest conditions. We are accelerating the digital transformation of industrial manufacturing. Our Illuminex digital platform combines products, data, and analytics to enhance productivity. From machine learning and data analytics to plant automation and AI, the Illuminex platform helps optimize industrial processes across multiple systems and locations. At Cadent, sustainable industrial processing is at our core, helping to drive the factories of the future.